Morgan Romero shows us how a support group helps in the healing. Morgan.
That's right. One night a week at Foothills Church in Stayton, you can find a diverse group of people with something in common, something they wish they didn't share.
We all suffered some sort of loss last year, a year ago on the fire, whether it was an outbuilding, a home, or just having to evacuate.
Putting one step each day in front of the next and moving forward.
A year ago, flames took Bruce Bailey's and Kathleen Beecher's home east of Gates. The Kirks lost theirs on North Fork Road in Elkhorn. Both families are now rebuilding their homes and lives. They both learned, as essential to the process as any money or materials, is each other.
People love this area. They love the Santiam Canyon, so they have a real connectedness, sense of community here.
They're part of a group of wildfire survivors that gets together for support and counseling each week. In April, it began as a safe space to vent and grieve.
Everybody had some sort of traumatic experience.
There's just been no judgment. You realize it's just stuff. You lose stuff.
It soon evolved into a space to share information and triumphs.
The first thing we do is share good news. And it just became this sharing resources and eating together and knowing we were safe.
So any sort of roadblocks that we may have had, it's just been good to bounce ideas off each other. And a lot of people have ways around it or, what's worked for them.
Marion County facilitates the group, providing meals and any supports people need. They've given survivors the reins.
Really this neighbor helping neighbor, being there for one another, caring about one another. And this is very critical because it created an energy, a positive energy that gave people a sense of hope for the future.
On the 1-year anniversary, as smoke again settles in the canyon from a nearby fire, they now lean on each other.
We've reached out to our wildfire survivors in this group just to check in to make sure they're doing okay from this weekend. It kind of digs up some new emotions. So we're going to definitely continue.
Morgan Romero, KGW News.